Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the DJI Mic Mini with the iPhone adapter. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their DJI Mic Mini, and you have to come across that there is an iPhone adapter that you see right over here. How do you actually go ahead and use it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is grab your transmitter, and you want to find the arrow. So you want to make sure that the adapter points in the same direction as that arrow. So once you point it in the same direction, just simply slide it through until you hear a click and it actually stops pushing. So there was the click, and you can see that I can no longer push it through. And so now that you have the adapter attached to your DJI Mic Mini, you could actually plug this in to iPhone models that have a Type-C cable or input, and automatically it should be able to use the DJI Mic Mini as the input audio. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the iPhone adapter with the DJI Mic Mini. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.